the you be one say, almost say, your two presidential, you know, so abba answer. Na you found a two polling station near the end, you be one say. Yeah, the polling station for way 2 years. And Sanya got 2 women so baby. They're out to a bar, a baby film, the bad account, now the one I crab film. Near the sign you set about the 2 MPs and other executives about it. It looks so clumsy. It looks so arbitrary. But as a party, you know, especially national executives, you know, that poor much at woman for. So in their own best interest and the interest of the party and the new patriotic party in Ghana and the 2028 elections, you know. Maybe now fine. You told me many papa enumanens ya anan so ana miensa ana mienu ana ayi ombekono the obe win you know ni nyina but together because they ba ku na be win obi nyina so ya de hye na mom obi ya na gen say ono de obe fa kwati kwa so obe ya niam emfata ya de machinations ene nhyehyeye ebe ya fa ne ebe ya wuntimi nko da bia ehia se make major decisions na uria afen na be flow bi say German nka ne yanke ehumu. Is that what we want to do? The question I'm asking everyone is that so ofu say we obi a who between win election na everything has to be free and fair. You be ani ake enwabo na o pese ebi no be so mo fata kashi ni niam bia kwame ha yeto ze fi ayewo machine ense ya boka to ai we data ni adi nyina ebinom pese o mo sa fa kwan foforo say yekoto another machine e dey collect new data adi re wo what be that aka a few months am yakoto aba machine o ye adwuma bibia ense ye eniema ye kama ntimi de aso ameka ne
na wana ekoto sa machine no
ene de we say ebinom ba na too early ethically to mention names and those who want to do that.
Data ben or they collect here.
Machine papa ya po isi head office or ubia data wom and one year to ya ba and say in chemu and yet sabi Pentium 1 year Pentium 10 aba. Eti de put ya demo ubia ne say ma ubia nye mistake. Ma ubia nye mistake. And it wait, I'm not crying wolf and I can say no. So omo pese MPP win kama election we yanko ne kama do be win bia e beka enwabo anyway binom some of us yanyan krofo na ya beka say we jai we di no anya no binom pese omo you there was some of us no your national support in this country na anya do omo hu no a mistake yan create content to ye mu bi me krofo ya adwuma e ko 30 years and krofo a my mentor in this party nationwide, almost every region, it be a regional constituency executives are me, just conforming him, and they believe in me, in integrity. And women in some here election politics, mechanical memo, Menkasam Yaswabofo. They were to for the breed. Mama Mian get you to the level. The only hope of Ghanaians, AMP to the best. You know, you need no be na gan say obefa kwati kwa so en hihie bi no wia ya beka say power yanke ehum na ya politics
na ujidi say scheme bi na kwam ko di kan boda kwa
ko di ngo si hie futu na de manipa na no waka say yankoto aba no de bi ya to polling station ya to coordinators ya to constituency ya beto region ya to national na say ya beto flag bearer anya bi akwa police station o mo do so no de ye to answer say beto a ye to dia fine afei de say ye nko to president na ye to president say yi wi a ya san so be afei ne ye ba be yan say ya to police station fofora na ye nto bi eti ye ne ya hwe ya wo ba to president say ni o ma na beto constituency what is the point in this yan kan okre what are the pros and cons
one beto presidency no eba se wo mkoto aba na yi wo ma na be sa ba beto constituency abeto
unless I'm not getting the clarity Obviously, Epia, Namina clarity, no, into Omuma one tingy. Me, Omoko National Wano. Party Wemo, Obintin can tell me Semiakra. Yaka Oma check a year Juma. I can't even leading members of this party. Even in parliament. Untimen can't tell me, I don't want to make a say, but I think you give me no. You move, you know, Yakashi or Mampany and son of their president, Yakashi, you move. Until you can imagine some of us, our commitment to this fraternity. And before the be a co-opposition of Matida, Yen Yabakwa, Jumana, Copinsia Babam, because you're pro money. But and the criminal, what some people want to do, no? More MPP, and yang, and more MPP.
But by specifically, they pan Romu ya emwa ekunu.
Mama me buza question baako. E dey no aka say ekotoaba. Yam to president answer. Answer na beto police.
Wa mo say na bi abakire mu say. The party ni nyapa no, the party spent almost 3 years in internal wranglings. Say we an be we because na ufa for polling station person onye nipa ho na nipa no ba beto constituency na say nipa no so constituency for no enso so ebeto ema regional na regional for no so ebeto ema national na national for no so na ni nyina de ntokwa eba eti enye yi flag bearer ba ko a ono an obi ade na chire no other candidate
okay it means to say they say they are 2 years yankoto polling station in region ni ade bi mana.
Hey, and so there's a do one but
anti asomo kan wo hu afede wo de nyina tabe nyina ye mpanyifo a yagino nyina sum nyame asomo kan kanokuru say am pase minia ketwa na nabi kan sa asomo ka ofa tese so wo ya say nya election bia na ntokwa aba yanto sagbe anko a okay obi ani me no ompa yanto aba no wachina emfa no ho yeto obi suro aba we yato wachina kora Kennedy be win.
Hey sir.
Oh, they win. I'm telling you, Kennedy will win this election hands down.
Let's see,
he will win. Kwame, first, maybe I'll be a first time.
Machi.
He will win hands down. But the clean politics. The clean politics. This is a Kennedy winning here. And I say, Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia winning. And I say, Honorable Brian Champo winning. And I say, Honorable Edition winning, and that's will be a Wakabia winning. You bet me now, Papa no dog, Yaka, Wabu. And then I mean 2 4. Now, this will be slow to be the winner and will be the Lucy. But the air can say, Kwame, I had then, okay, you president, the woman that was a president, we are near to polling station, and the Amban Tokama. Without. With the other man, I say, we are Anquara. It's a video foot one, I'm doing no. You move no politics, no, and yet the bedding kwa Kwame, uni mina, Amampanico for my and son. Sabi, many uncle Paul and the 2 make my come abroad here, Meduma. Because deeper, we saw any make a crown. Let me use a car.
Some wine calabino.
I may cover, Sabi, me talk in the 90s, Naminakra. The uncle for the brave, you cannot at time. No Monte, this one, no matter saying in penny for. Eti ye boy hu modern kakra da bia nyame dia kodu no e omman no ne ye do no e ne fi se omman na MPP ne betima yi e na MPP no a o se ye ne kokama obi enu a obeji we ni paketo me ko gina ba bi sabe na mi didi omampanyi abedi akire Dr. Alaji Mahmoud Bawumia atema nyame bebu sabe sa na me ko didi Kennedy atem ana Brian ana nipa foforo bia nyame bebu sabe na se dia kwa me de omo ya ne se Unka kura no must that change one no. One so what I say, now you send you text messages. Now you threaten, now you phone you do a time of platform so. And no, as you much. Sir, the answer to me, Kennedy. Minkasa Simbia Wakaye, a before Bobby to make us India name for Camilla Keteno. The Presia Kawa and Bear was me and say, oh, my dinner time almost will be another. A soft work as see a woman. Kamiya kase dutu na ba honi na bedi koma bompa e omo gidie kese ebu onu and kofu this agro ni edi no we are really arranging eti de omo ya ne say o wa na tape bia obi akofa kwanya so ba ko bia so omo say o say MPP e jimi enti obi be trance And you must have said, didn't you have a statement in by? There was a meeting at any radio, so I will be because ATM people in another. And a Canadian information about no. Ah, yeah, you breast man. More could be a 2016 had another one with me. All we meeting will be recorded, no. What you have said, what the bread a cry FM are known to the NDC station. Play some of these things. And you know, Kennedy, no more. You treat him here, and I don't want for combination. Then people mean say a Jimmy Sir. Because of you all come on person near me, seem to careful, almost you try baby near a bottom crop. Now, in any case, Carmen, what would you? There's will be a politics a boom fear the affair. Yanka say obey a real mind seeker. Yanka so obey a far on my assassin. Yanka so obey no, why ya do a cool nipa. Now I say, a human will be a Brahman crofone biaye. Or cannot crack the near thing. A third and a castle, of course, if you on Casay. Name or no idea, or the boy the human and Mabu Bia, Yabiaye, or the Boama party in your opposition in Yababem, or the Boama Korean and Kabomuni Bibiaba, or the Boama discipline Abagana. Obia can mindset, your attitude, your submine, and no, okay, no, and now to be said that you are no Bitcoin with the dinner at the come in and no call your acquaintance. Now, all who this antro cassetiano can some casia gumisono. Say, Yamea dom, na unipa winia, the pacho, I say na obe casse, yen yanke homo. Me MPP ni omi mojem, ni do be wini bia me di akiri. Ba kwa me nyi obia na wo ye mu bi, ye sugban no ene said ye ti ho ache ne do MPP no. Enti afutuo na me de ma obia. Se obia nya careful. Wo ma coalition ni obia nya so abofo. Obia won a negative ni positive. It is obia explain bi na nya personal attack. Ni wo ase obi bufu. No ko change the story. No the chance to did obi ate.
Na me bo.
What did American say?
Metiase pa. Metiase de me bisan se mpani di aba o ma hye date. E de na mo be ye Yewura Kennedy camp. De na mo be ye.
Yeah, na party aye nsese ya. Ye de mayor, we o man se bia no se akọ Congress. Na Congress wani jutu e be di akire se ba boa ya ni omoni. Bi na ya to. Enti de o be ye bia na tumi be baga MPP mo no. Tumi na MPP associate Owura Kennedy Japan. MPP associate Owura Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia. MPP associate Honorable Bray Champo. Associate Owura Edutu. Associate Mr. Kameka say. Enti ade be mi enya tumi no. Why not? Me need any personal interest. One moment me an politics. Me as I said, go for bebre. What would you park a na be minister? Who himself nimpo and I said me handle mo politically. You know.
Yeah.
Only himself the can yet. That's a mean kumya. And yet you mean young quarantine and war politics. They know me. I don't mean no credit. I hope a career kume make no credit. And no crania besindi and one America. The experience and the war politics, the only way MPP can win, and Kabu and Tina Kennedy Japan say, young fool be a one in 10 MPP, no be a person of baby Omra. Somewhere you do no, yes, I'm a granny. Yamakers will be away now, a unique film and our film, all my film from Uran Bonyan for a foco. And then paying for a Siena, be being to a film, no. Obi our film, but I can't say the film. Munyami hot in bed. Omina Macan people. So, already when young folk in Japan, dear Bakon, they but pie here, unity. Call rebuilding this party, which I said, Obia would be ya, Obia, Obia no young from Swabin Poy, Chum, young friend, Obia, your friend, Papa, Mr. Okay. Well, just only a pitiful man.
Mr. Okain.
I
1 year SD elder.
Now, would you bring for Broma bread everything? Mr. Okain, history of MPP. And now you Okain book. You Pinaniaman and Yakan. People who have been serving this party consistently and I mean through thick and thin. They've gone through very, severe Herculean task of getting this party sustained up to this level. No, we need to bring all of them on board. Some men, yes, will be the man I bet you to say, a person will pay 2 minutes or no any pound because we are my mobile. Oh, Dr. Baumia, oh, you'll be a said one. I don't think he believes in Debbie Kennedy. The Pia Oceania smoker, arrogance, and you're part of him. The only difference is that Okano cry. Yampo men, Ghana will be up to be a or cool cry no a be will be the one on Timenka. And you don't know it. And to also young flow be and the first thing to do as a party, Nana be, me too for. Almost flow be a party, you're not together. Yes, a prayer about Ebu, Okaboma, Emu. Even in the Bible, any part of woman, they shot God, and the man Yankupon Kasa, Obiaka Kasa. Because we were so together, so I say Yankupon Krano Boom. It must say, the Pianya Pepe, the dear Krana Yagi. And to ourselves force, the Kaya MP, ourselves force, the Kaya President, ourselves force, the Kaya Minister, ourselves force, and ya no mum. And Mommy, I'm going to say, the any abaya or many problems about 30 years. Unam 37 and Cromansa, Salempo Gugu form, and Koforia University Tominia Jumania, and now correct. Yako Accra Technical Institute. Kwashe, school name Zina, paying 4 quadrat, the woman and Kitahudia. Kennedy Japan, woman, dear, say, Nunti. Yakofa investors. Every Dubai bill, man, so they need go and see what is happening there. Then because is here in Japan, or building one of the biggest tea factory in this country. We don't open and there are thousands of people in this country. I'm one school no crash and Kwano engineering, mechanical and electrical engineers. They say, "Umbayan times we will have 4 more jumum." Papa, I mean a year ago. Na nyese obi person of akwati kwan so e konto kwashi sade bi se ne be o no nko abeye leader no nko anipa na be fa ana obi executive bi eno ene enwose Nyankopon se nim nyame ne som no ode no kwawedie na be ye adwuma we Romans 13:1 na o si to bi ani ho leadership bi ani o je se no Nyankopon ayi no enti wetima ye aya akaka bensam ewiase nyina achimo bia nsa but ewie na emwa Mr. Kennedy Japan will win hands down. Say Nyankopon say obe win ya. Say Kennedy Japan be win no before ne be win ya. Yin na say yanke ahumom. Nyemom say yanke ahofo. Na bibia nya kama because asisi de obi antimi sisi obi. And there is a joke. Asisi de ne number bia but and the obi and obi timi sisi ni yonko. And the more they try anything bad, the more dangerous it is for this party. And for the future of the MPP.
Nothing.
Because a nipa will be higher politics. Obia will be BDN at you.
Okay.
Obia Nakura. It's Kwame. Yabako Congress. Congress, the very side. Sir, and some no Macano. Yomujitum and our Munintum. So Mujituma, who still go through me. I'm not against anything. Even the time young Tuaban, I'm not against. Adia, a Chimajan Kakran say. Yamfa, Team Yoronkoto, flag bearer. We are Sabah election. Woman to a bayi a flag bearer. I know if you got to a baby, you could have the film. And Sanya, dear, no Ababa, the two. Hey, no one does. We are saying it. I never got to a baby president. I said, what's up in your film? I said, over some quiet campaign. It's very dangerous. They might go to a bar, now you flag bearer. You really know what's under to Meswaba, and now bad the opposite. When you near film, Nipado Duano, it is a Nipa 200,000 to Abano. We are got to a buffer frog. After you flag bearer, Nemu 100,000 kwa lusua. No mubufua, omi no mabusia for no muniano mi abia. Enkwentiai. Adia yanyin hu bi. Because MPP they say, adia see any super empire boka see ebenya tumi o. MPP ni empire bo nyina ne se kwame. Ebenya tumi. He na ye nuanu NDC bai. Obi kura ye adwuma 18 years ye yinadi. Ah, when we are the NSU, when your government appointee. Oko nyuma numa, Kwame Arego and a cracky or mammy young guy when you're Juma and he's a baby and I know can't get poison. And I'm not MPP for them who said baby. Young Kwane, I'm a Yukura bar. Tanya Mano and Tam Koso Cassigi. It is 2 million will be a pay. And also, Nama, you move beginner so Emma, the soul says, you can't woman a cough from, and then you fooling na Canadian Japan. You fooling na, Kwame, and ya dear Duffum. Infant Crawford didn't throw a much video, and I want to say, and all Casa in Inquisition. Kwame, Inquisition. It's a national India, we and Tiancia prepare. Now I can assure you, Sir Kwame, MPP for no, on the 12 in Japan. Over the way NDC for no ye giddy, NDC come first winning election now. Ye will be an any a day or papa, or polka experience. Nobody making a Kwame can we are 7 men can say, Yam penny for no, Ura Brian a champon, Ura Ditchum, Ura Cabinet Japan. Yempen ya papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia others men castle do munya kukuduro because o candidate once for no be akoka negative no dey abedi do attempt ntimi nya sada o munya yempen for na emom Kennedy Japan you obi ani say he stands out enya dia kin Japan be say NDC betima ya nyema bi omuye ne nanu say NDC for timi de mabunu ekogina baabi na polling station say MPP hu oden no ma a block say a man fa a hot result Emma. NDC may have bobo or maybe on the end of what a lot of the constituencies, polling stations. It is some of the constituencies up to now, and that's what court. Over Canada point you will be making a fan. Oh, my NDC for any. They are talking you when you be a mine or be any a basse, Yamfa Sabi. Ye into baby a da. Ye nipa be wo ha wo memu a oka ho bi. Ko no ne bakura ya bone a sabi ontwema no ono ane bampo ontwema no. Eno da nchen a politician bie no organ wa keti jobs ama Ghana for enya bia asin Kennedy Japan. Politicians bi eni ho. Enti enya ba bebre ne ko e beboa ama MPP. Ye di Kennedy Japan ba you bet me a queer ninja. Now I get to me as we had this. It is safety of the upper way. As a party, especially national executives, the poor much at woman for. So, in their own best interest and the interest of the party and the new patriotic party in Ghana and the 2028 elections, oh, maybe be now fine. You're too many. Many papa enumanensia ananso ana miensa ana mi.
So what Europe and America was in this Kadiaba Ghana they send with money transfer no and American for a day amount. Send network ben no use wait me a day ascend it. So we send a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait me a day ascend it. Now I was any just say first transaction no ubenya a $20 free. The answer be using a promo code JSXM2 and a screen so offer or first transaction ubenya a $20 free. Meaning the actual Bruni Yalan Media Ghana.